I'm Rebecca Mitzner. I'm 23 years old, 5'3", and currently living in Park Slope, Brooklyn. Today I will be reading Masha from The Seagull. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my tape. I'm only telling you all this because you're a writer. You can put it to good use. I swear to you, if he ever wounded himself seriously, I wouldn't go on living another minute. Not that I'm not brave. No, I've gone and made up my mind. I'm gonna tear this love right out of my heart. I'm gonna rip it out by the roots. I'm getting married to Myadvinka. Loving hopelessly, waiting for years and years for something, but once I'm married, there'll be no more room for love. No, new problems will blot out the old. And anyway, you know, it makes a change. Should we have another? Oh, don't look at me like that. Women drink more often than you might think. Seldom do it like me, but they do it on the fly. Yes. And it's always vodka or brandy. Here's to you. You're a nice man. I'm sorry you're going away.